Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa. I do makeup related, complexion related uploads Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You should totally subscribe. This channel really focuses on tips, tricks to achieve that flawless complexion at any budget. High-end, drugstore, we cover it all. But let's go ahead and get started. Just finished running to Trader Joe's, so I have a haul for you. It was an experience with 2 kids, but it was really fun and I got so many good things. I am in the middle of working on eating a little bit healthier, so it was really fun. Let's go to Trader Joe's and pick up some new things. Let's just begin. Frozen section. I picked up this gnocchi. Oh, it's so good. I've had that one before. Fried rice for the kids. This one's for me, this rice cauliflower stir fry. I think I will just throw some chicken in that and then it'll be a full-blown meal. More rice, Asian vegetable medley. These are just like little tortilla dippers. My absolutely favorite, coconut cashews. So amazing. And then I saw this. The crispy, crunchy mochi rice nuggets. I love mochi, so I can't imagine that I wouldn't love these. You put this on ice cream though, I think, but it looks really good. Bananas, coconut, love coconut. More coconut milk, I wanna make curry at some point. Reduced fat, and then one's normal. This lemony arugula basil salad kit, I'll just throw some chicken on that. My favorite kind of cucumbers. These are little Persian, is that? Lots of jasmine rice. These frozen pretzels for my kids. Let's just be honest, I'll eat them too. Sweet potato ribbons. Edamame, already shelled. Zucchini. I was so excited, I want to try this wonton soup. Carrots. This is what I'm having for lunch today. It's this lemon basil pasta salad, and the cashier checked me out. She was just raving about it, and so now I'm really excited to try it out. And then the 3-layer hummus. I have a friend on Instagram that recommended this, and it is delish. Have to have some salsa. This is the pub cheese for the pretzels. Ground chicken. So excited for this popcorn in a pickle. And then a couple of these for my kids. Working around to the items that are not food items. Got this bar of soap. Oh, it's 2 bars of soap, and this is only like $1. And then this sunscreen stick for my kids. Couple things of hand soap because Target has been out of hand soap, and so this is the same price as the Mrs. Meyer's, and it actually comes with more. And then this fruit and vegetable wash. I'd say it was a great haul. I'm really excited to use these things. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite must-have items are from Trader Joe's. I'm always looking for something new. Yeah, let's continue on with the review. When I heard that Trader Joe's is coming out with this watermelon line, I was so excited. I saw a little teaser on Tread Mood's Instagram, which if you're not following her, you totally should if you want to know any of the new releases coming out. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and I think that's what got me. So this is Trader Joe's Watermelon Facial Mist, Refresh and Hydrate. They also came out with a mask, which when I was at the store, they didn't have anymore. They were completely out. I have been a big time fan of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, which this is $28.99. The most relaxing spa-like experience. The spritzer on this really is, I mean, it is so fine. Right before I go to sleep, if I really just want to have this scent and that feel of the fine mist over my face, I do that. I use this to prep my skin sometimes. I use this quite a bit to add some luminosity to my makeup. If I've already done a setting spray, I'll go back in, I'll use this throughout the day. If I feel like my makeup look is looking a little too dry, then I'll go back in with this as well. The spritzer with this really is one of the finest spritzers I've ever seen. It is so fine. There's nothing like this, and I believe this sells for $28.99 on Sephora or the Glow Recipe website. But let's just talk a little bit more about this spray. So this spray is incredibly affordable. It is only $3.99 and it is a limited edition. Let's just read a little bit about this product before we get started. It says watermelon seed oil, rice bran oil, watermelon fruit extract, and a bevy of other botanicals. This is meant to be misted over your face after cleansing, or if you need it throughout the day. You can even just use it as just a nice spritz, a nice relaxation, a little R&R, and there's no such thing, they say, as too much mist. Packaging, let's see what comes with more products. This actually has 3.4 ounces and this has 2.5 ounces. The thing with these setting sprays is they're not meant to elongate the wear of your foundation. So if you're looking for something that's going to really extend the length of your makeup, I wouldn't use these alone. I would go in with a really nice setting spray like the Hangover Too Faced RX 3-in-1, and then a couple minutes later I go in with one of these. The same thing goes for the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. I'd say these kind of are in the same ballpark realm. They're just a great addition to the setting spray you are already using. As you can see, I already did my makeup. If you're interested in any of the products I use, I filmed a summer foundation routine and everything can be found in there. But I've only sprayed this a couple times and I haven't used it on my face, and I haven't used any setting spray yet. So I'm really curious. I'm just gonna use this by itself. I don't need my foundation to be extended for a long period of time today. I'm just filming, you know, one of my favorite things to do. So let's go ahead and see exactly how this performs. As far as the ingredients go, it looks like there is added fragrance in this, which is fine. I'm happy it's not completely high up on the ingredient list, that it's worn down so in the middle. Okay, I'm a little bit scared. I'm gonna cover my eyes because I did my mascara. I don't want anything to happen. Let's try a couple. Ooh, that's a little aggressive. The scent is more so cucumber. I do smell the watermelon, but the watermelon scent isn't anything like. This smells like real watermelon. This does smell a little bit more like a fake watermelon, if that makes sense. Let's try this out on my face. Okay, so the sprayer definitely isn't as fine as the Glow Recipe, which is fine. It's a fraction of the cost, more than a fraction of the cost. It's $3.99. So far what I'm seeing is it did leave a little bit more thicker drops on your makeup, but it's not a deal breaker. In fact, I think it looks really pretty right along here where I did apply highlighter, and it's providing a really pretty sheen. But I actually think that looks really pretty. We'll see if it sets down at all. I'm definitely not disappointed with my first impression of this. I do prefer the Glow Recipe one so much more though. It's just a completely different experience. But if you're on a budget and if you're at Trader Joe's, I think this would be worth a pickup if you're not too picky on the sprayer. If you put this in the fridge, I think it would just create a nice, relaxing experience. I do feel like it did set my powders and my makeup really well, and I feel like you can't really, I mean, it set itself. You can't go overboard on it. Okay, I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions about these products, let me know. If you were able to pick up the mask, I'm so curious because I absolutely love the Glow Recipe watermelon mask. If you've tried the Trader Joe's watermelon mask, let me know if it's comparable at all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would absolutely love that. It really helps me here with the YouTube algorithm, or even better, leave a comment down below. I always respond. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.